To set Google text-to-speech language detection as conservative in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Select screen reader, tap settings, tap text to speak. Set preferred engine as Google text to speak. To set, tap preferred engine. If your preferred engine is Samsung text to speak, change in Google text to speak. Select Google text to speak engine and then tap pick button to save. Tap settings icon and then tap language detection. Select conservative. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.